The construction vehicles are busy at the site.
Nice.
Some carry stones, some move sand. Everyone is working hard.
Excavator.
Huh? But the blue excavator is still sleeping in the corner.
Hey!
The yellow excavator wakes it up. Time to work.
Hey, you! Come here! Don't do that! Okay.
The blue excavator slowly puts on its safety helmet and drives sleepily to the site. Suddenly, it gets scared by the digging noise nearby and bumps into a frame. A bucket of mortar falls down. It covers the blue excavator's face.
Oh my God!
It rushes out of the site, crashes into a streetlight and a fire hydrant.
No!
And runs through red lights, driving wildly. The cars on the road are scared and quickly move away. So dangerous. Just then, a rescue helicopter and a rescue robot arrive.
Oh no! Let's go! Hey!
The helicopter shouts for it to stop, but it can't.
Let's go! Cool! Open!
The rescue robot has a smart idea. It sprays water and washes the mortar off the excavator's eyes.
Bravo!
Now the excavator can see again and quickly brakes. But because of the speed, it still rushes toward a baby shark car. At the last second, the helicopter drops a rescue net and safely stops the excavator.
No!
What a close call!
Let's go! I got it! Open!
After that, the rescue team takes it to a wash station and cleans it completely.
I like it! What's next? It's so nice!
The excavator looks fresh and new again.
Come here!
It puts on its safety helmet properly
Good job!
and goes back to work carefully. What a safe and lucky ending.
Bye-bye!
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.